It's a brilliant question, but it's not a 30-second answer, so I'm going to waffle a little bit. The best water you can buy in the UK in the world, is naturally occurring water. And in the UK, you recognise that with the words natural, mineral and spring. They're authentic words that are controlled by Trading Standards, Local Environmental Agency, and they're regulated words, okay? So those three words prove that the water that you're buying, if it says natural, mineral, spring on the bottle, is naturally occurring, authentic water. That's the best water you can be drinking, in my opinion. Then it comes down to taste. Now the taste is driven by the measurement of minerality, totally dissolved solids or dry residue at source, which is the same thing. So if you're interested in trying different waters, look at TDS, okay? And TDS starts at 0, which is distilled water, and goes all the way up to 30 to 40,000. I've tried a water from Hungary which was 30,000 TDS, and it was like seawater. Seawater, by the way, is 30 to 40,000 TDS. So the best water you can drink is the water that you like, you enjoy, and you appreciate. And it's no different if you swap the word water with wine. You know, if we have a debate, I don't drink, by the way, but you know, if you had a debate amongst wine drinkers, what's the best wine, there would be different opinions. And it's exactly the same thing with water, and that's derived by the measurement of minerality. So if you're interested in trying water, you can go onto Amazon, you can buy Vichy Catalan 3052 TDS, unlike any water you'll ever tasted before in your life. So, brilliant question. Sorry, it's a bit of a waffle. Marks and Spencer's, Macclesfield, we've got Vichy Catalan, we've got San Pellegrino, we've got Origin, all natural water, Spain, Italy, Spain, and then we've got Marks and Spencer's own offering, mountain water. Mountain water is not a category of water. The category of water is natural, mineral and spring water is the premium of the category. If you're going to use the word mountain, you might as well use the word magic. It has as much meaning and as much significance or relevance in the world of water as magic. So if you're going to call it mountain, you might as well call it magic, because mountain and magic mean nothing. It's not a category, as opposed to natural, mineral, spring water. And I'd expect Marks and Spencer's to know about that, because Lidl and Aldi do. They don't sell mountain water, they sell natural, mineral and spring water. So why are Marks and Spencer's selling water that has no category or no real meaning, but yet Aldi and Lidl seem to manage it no problem at all? It's just a question of awareness. I can't wait to try Origin. Never tried it before. It's from Spain. Trying to find out what the TDS is here. I'll have to measure it when I get home, but it looks like a medium or a high TDS water just from looking at the analysis. By the way, we're looking at the label. That is what we are looking at, but there is no dry residue on there or TDS. By the way, any water with additive, colouring, flavouring, obviously is no longer water. Water is clear, isn't it, without anything added to it. Love it.